Hello everyone, today we will be solving one LeetCode problem number 121, best time to buy and sell stock. Here the problem statement says we are given an array of price where price of I is price of given stock on ith day. All we have to find out your maximum profit choosing a single day to buy and the different day in the future to sell the stock. So let's deep dive into the problem. The problem says like this is your if this is your buy and like if this is your buying price, in the future any of element will be your selling price. For example, if you buy here, on your next array any of amount will be your selling price, and all you have to do, you have to find out the maximum profit from this array. So how you can do it? So your profit will be your selling price minus your buying price. So for example, you buy at 7 and you sell at 1. So your profit will be 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Means you are in loss, and no one want to do loss in stock market, right? So here all you have to do, you have to find out the minimum number for buy a stock and maximum number in the next array to sell the stock to maximize your profit. For example, if you buy your stock at 1 and if you sell your stock at 5, your profit will be 5 minus 1 equals 6. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If you sell your stock at 6, your profit will be 5, and this is the maximum number. How we can do this? How we can solve this problem? If you have a look at this array, you can say like if you find, for example, you can start from here, your best buy. You can say my best buy is equal to array of I is equal to 7, and if your next element is bigger than best buy, you can find your profit. So here the next element is small, so all you have to do, you have to find the minimum number between array of I and best buy, and you have to store it on the best buy. Best buy equal to minimum number of array of I and best buy. So our next element is less than our best buy, so our best buy will be 1 now. So let's remove this one and put 1 here, and our next element is 5. So if our next element is greater than our best buy, what we have to do? We have to find another. We will initialize one variable called max profit equal to 0. So our max profit will be maximum of max profit, then our current profit, and our current profit will be new array of I minus our best buy. So let's implement our theory in the code. So we'll take two variables. One is empty. Best buy is equal to prices of 0, our first index, and we can take another variable called profit or max profit. Max profit is equal to 0. Why we are taking 0? Because the problem statement says if you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So you can easily return our profit. So let's return max profit. Now let's perform one for loop. For int I equal to 1, we can start from 0, but there is no point starting from 0 as we are taking the 0th index as our best price. So let's start from int I equal to 1, I less than prices size, and then I plus plus. All we have to do, we have to take the minimum number for our best buy. So our best buy is equal to minimum of our best buy and prices of buy. So before updating our best buy, all we have to do, we have to check if prices of I is greater than our best buy. You have to find out your current profit. If the price of I is greater than your best buy, you have to find your current profit. So current profit will be price of I minus best buy, and you have to find your maximum profit. So your max profit will be max of max profit and current profit, and at the end of the code we are returning your max profit. Let's run this code and have a look. So our int current profit equal, oh sorry, it will be prices. And we have passed our test case. Let's submit this code, and we have solved this problem successfully. Thank you so much.